Welcome back to the AEC video series. In this particular series, we're going to be covering the Tax Helper MI. In the first video of the Tax Helper MI, we're going to be covering it for the EU. And I'm going to show you exactly the settings like we have it set up on blanks. So that'll give you a good idea of how to set it up if you're in the European Union and you need to add VAT tax to your pricing. So what you're going to do is go to Components, Account Expiration Control, and from AEC Central, you want to click on Micro Integrations, and then you want to click New, and then you want to actually click on AEC Tax Helper, hit Apply, and we'll put here EU, so we know this is for the European Union. And you can basically leave these switches alone by default, but really you can also set expiration action to none, user account update action to none, because they really don't need to be triggered on this MI. So we'll hit Apply. And then we're going to go over to the Settings tab. In the Custom Info, the first thing you want to put in is some kind of text for the person to understand this is for the tax. So what I usually enter in is strong, so it's in bold. Please provide your location and the bold. And then the rest of the world if you're not in the EU. Request VAT number, we're going to set to yes. And also the country list, we're going to set to yes. After we've done this, we're going to hit Apply real quick, and then come back to the Settings tab. And then under your location, you'd select the country that you're in. In this case, we're going to select Germany. Use local tax, we're going to set to no. Reimburse VAT, we're going to set to yes. And then we're going to enter in our percentage, 19%. Now you can either set it up where tax is already included in the price, tax is not included in the price, add it, or subtract tax from the price, discount. But we'll go tax is already in the price, include it. As for the validation, we're going to use, either you can do no validation on the VAT, basic number validation, or numerical and BIES server validation. We're going to do a basic number validation, but then we want to add one more location also. So we hit one here, hit Apply. After we've hit the one into the local, now we actually get something to enter in for that location. And the short ID here, we're going to make this as if they were not in the European Union. And what we want them to show is the rest of the world. The tax percentage here is 0. And the extra text we want to put in as non-EU. And then we hit Save. So basically what we've done here is we've set up a tax helper for the European Union. Let me get rid of this previous one that I had created. So now we're going to go to Payment Plans. We'll go to the actual plans themselves. We'll hit the Premium Membership Plan. And under Micro Integration tab on there, we're going to add this one in. So now if we go to the front end of the site, and what we'll do just to make things quicker, we'll log in with the test user, go to the actual plans page, click on the Premium Membership. Now you can see coming up on the confirmation page, that choice I put in the rest of the world was added to that list. Okay, or I can add in the actual country I am from. And then if you have a VAT number, you can actually enter it in to be actually exempt from it for the members on the front end. So that basically covers the tax helper micro integration using it in the European Union. Thank you very much.